My name is Stephen LaRochelle, and I'm the Director of Library Services. But part of what I do is instructional technology support, so that's how I got into 3D printing. For many years, 3D printing was limited to 2 machines in our precision machining program. Access to the technology, however, broke the trades barrier thanks to our occupational therapist assistant program. Occupational therapists use 3D printing to make custom assistive devices for people with physical and cognitive disabilities. Soon, other programs incorporated 3D printing into their curricula. Physical therapy students make custom prostheses and orthoses, and sustainable agriculture students make Yang cedar wheels and soil blockers. But students who were not in any of these 4 programs also wanted to learn about and use 3D printers. So we made them available in each of our 2 libraries. We're also offering 3D printing courses to the community and to teachers, like many of you. In one course, students receive a 3D printer as part of the course. They learn how to set up, operate, and troubleshoot their printer, which they take home. The course is $449 and includes a 3D printer valued at $349, plus all of the tools and supplies they need to get started. Other professional development courses focus on design for 3D printing, using a variety of free software tools to create original models, and advanced 3D printing topics such as scanning. Credit day courses include 3D design, which combines art and technology. This course includes an overview of the history of 3D printing in the arts and teaches students how to create their own 3D printed sculpture. Students express their personal ideas and style using design software and automated additive fabrication techniques. 3D printing is modern art. This course is offered during the summer, if anybody's interested. Also being offered this summer is the psychology course, Constructionism in Action. Here's the description. The essence of Seymour Pappert's constructionist learning theory is learning by doing. So of course it would make little sense to learn about constructionism only by sitting and listening to lectures. In this course, students will instead learn a new skill, 3D printing, while reflecting on the learning process in light of Pappert's theory of knowledge acquisition. The course includes hands-on work with 3D printers, along with group collaboration and extensive project documentation. If you'd like to learn not only how to 3D print, but also how you learn how to 3D print, then consider taking this course. Our early childhood education program uses 3D printing to, among other things, convert children's drawings into tangible toys. Even our maintenance department has gotten aboard the 3D printing bandwagon. Later this month, they'll be attending training sessions to learn 3D design and printing so that they can use the technology to fashion custom functional pieces. And simply one more tool in their toolbox. During the past year, total print time on our machines surpassed 10,000 hours and is still going strong. In the same time period, 97 students were trained to use the printers. That's 9% of our total student FTE. These users represent at least 17 different academic programs and courses. And the Student 3D Printing Club, which began just over 6 months ago, now boasts 66 members, again representing almost every major in the college. Student members have been actively engaged in supporting not only teachers and fellow students here at KVCC, but also in supporting local community members and causes as well. Most of the folks wearing big t-shirts here today are 3D Printing Club members. And all of this great work has been made possible in large part by the generous support of the Main Space Grant Consortium and, most especially, David and Sandy Perloff of the Perloff Family Foundation. So it is my great pleasure now to welcome to the podium David Perloff.